Hi everyone, welcome to Techklaron channel. Today, we'll share about the relationship of the coordinate, plane and point. Example of applying geographic coordinates to find a location with GPS will show with this video clip segment. What is a plane? A plane is a surface that must has two axes into D and three axes. We need two axes to create a plane. They are x-axis and y-axis. To get a plane, we must have two axes, x-axis and y-axis, for 2 dimensions. And we must have 3 axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, for 3 dimensions. What is a point? A point is the intersected of two axes on the plane into D and 3 axes on the 3 planes in 3D. This graph shows the sample of a point. What is coordinate? Coordinate is the intersective point on the respective axes. This graph shows the sample of the xy equals 3 coordinate. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the channel. See you the next video.